best camp stoves are essential for cooking meals efficiently in the great outdoors, making them a must-have for campers, hikers, and adventurers. They provide reliable and portable heat sources, ensuring you can enjoy hot meals no matter where your journey takes you. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 camp stoves that you need for your next outdoor adventure. So, let's find your perfect match. Number 5. Meet the Eureka Ignite Plus Camping Stove, your perfect companion for cooking delicious meals in the great outdoors. Designed with big groups in mind, this stove offers maximum pan capacity, allowing you to cook for the whole crew with ease. The adjustable, non-slip rubber feet ensure that the stove stays level and in place even on uneven ground, so you can focus on your cooking without worry. Equipped with 2 powerful 10,000 BTU burners, the Ignite Plus gives you the flexibility to go from a light simmer to full output with just a simple adjustment. The innovative simmer control provides high-precision flame adjustment, making it easy to cook a variety of dishes to perfection. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or sautéing vegetables for dinner, this stove delivers consistent, reliable performance every time. Starting your stove has never been easier, thanks to the push-button igniter that ensures fast, matchless lighting. And with a spacious cooking surface that fits 2 12-inch pans, you can prepare multiple dishes simultaneously, making it ideal for feeding a hungry group after a day of adventure. The stove's stainless steel drip tray offers rust-free performance and makes cleanup a breeze. Built with rugged thick-gauge steel construction, the Ignite Plus is designed for durability and long-lasting use, making it a reliable piece of equipment for your camping trips and an essential item for your survival kit. One of the standout features of the Ignite Plus is its JetLink compatibility, which allows you to connect it with other Eureka stoves for a versatile camp kitchen setup. Keep in mind that the Ignite Plus must be the last in a chain of linked stoves, offering you flexibility and control over your camp kitchen. The Eureka Ignite Plus camping stove combines power, precision, and durability, making it the ultimate choice for your outdoor cooking needs. Ready to elevate your camping meals? Click the link in the description below to get your own Eureka Ignite Plus and start cooking like a pro in the wild. Number 4. Introducing the Coleman Tabletop Stove, the versatile camp stove that brings the comfort and convenience of your kitchen to the great outdoors. This 2-in-1 design allows you to use both the grill and the stove simultaneously, making it easier than ever to prepare multiple dishes at once. Whether you're flipping pancakes, boiling coffee, or grilling up some burgers, this stove is built to handle it all. With 2 independently adjustable burners, you have precise control over your cooking temperatures. The perfect flow pressure control and perfect heat technology ensure consistent performance, so you get steady heat with less fuel. No more worrying about fluctuating flames, just set the temperature and let the Coleman Tabletop Stove do the rest. The stove's wind block protection shields the burners from gusts, keeping your flames steady even in windy conditions. This means you can cook with confidence, knowing your meal won't be ruined by a sudden breeze. Plus, the improved knob rotation gives you the ultimate simmer control, perfect for delicate dishes or slow-cooking stews. Cleaning up after a meal is a breeze with the removable grease tray, which catches drips and splatters for easy disposal. The aluminized steel cooktop is rust-resistant, ensuring that your stove remains in top condition for years to come. And with matchless lighting thanks to the push-button InstaStart ignition, getting the stove fired up is as simple as pressing a button. With a powerful 20,000 BTUs of cooking power, this stove delivers the heat you need to cook your meals quickly and efficiently. The 130 square inch grilling area and stove burner accommodate a 10-inch pan, making it easy to whip up a hearty meal in no time. The Coleman Tabletop Stove is your go-to choice for camp cooking, combining power, convenience, and versatility in one compact package. Ready to upgrade your outdoor cooking experience? Click the link in the description below to get yours today and make every camping meal a feast. Number 3. Introducing the Cuisinart CGG1265 Outdoor Wok Station, a culinary game-changer for your outdoor cooking adventures. This versatile station empowers you to create fast, fresh, and flavorful meals with ease, transforming your campsite into a gourmet kitchen. Whether you're deep frying, sautéing, boiling, searing, griddling, or braising, this outdoor wok station is designed to deliver restaurant-quality results, all while enjoying the great outdoors. At the heart of the station is a premium 14-inch diameter, round-bottom hand-hammered carbon steel wok. With a contoured wooden handle, This wok not only offers superior heat retention, but also improves with regular use, creating a natural non-stick surface as it seasons, perfect for achieving that coveted wok high, or breadth of the wok. This is your key to authentic and delicious stir-fried dishes. Powering this incredible station is an innovative 50,000 BTU burner system, a patent-pending design that's both powerful and precise. With electronic ignition, starting up is a breeze, and the restaurant-inspired burner reaches unmatched temperatures, ensuring every meal is cooked to perfection. The included WindGuard cast iron wok collar, heat protector, and stainless steel burner cover further enhance your cooking experience, making it easy to maintain consistent heat, even in outdoor conditions. Control the heat with precision using the haptic control knob, designed to provide sensory and auditory feedback for a more intuitive cooking experience. The stainless steel top is not only durable and weather-resistant, but also provides a spacious 21.75-inch x 18.75-inch prep area. Whether you're chopping vegetables, marinating meats, or organizing your cooking utensils, the ample space makes meal prep a breeze. And with the lower storage shelf, you have additional room for plates, utensils, and other essentials, keeping everything within arm's reach. Elevate your outdoor cooking with the Cuisinart CGG1265 Outdoor Wok Station. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or hosting a backyard gathering, this station is your ticket to culinary excellence in any setting. Ready to transform your outdoor meals? Click the link in the description below to grab yours today and start cooking like a pro, wherever your adventures take you. Number 2. Introducing the Camp Chef MS40AX cooking system, the ideal companion for any outdoor adventure. This lightweight 2-burner stove is crafted from durable aluminum, making it easy to carry, while offering robust performance in any setting. Whether you're deep in the backcountry or enjoying a family camping trip, this portable gas stove is designed to handle all your outdoor cooking needs. Its compact design, complete with a latching lid, ensures that transporting and storing the stove is effortless. The latching lid also doubles as a windscreen, providing consistent heat distribution and protecting the flames from gusts of wind. This thoughtful feature ensures that your cooking experience remains uninterrupted, no matter the weather conditions. The MS40AX isn't just about portability, it's also about convenience. This propane stove is compatible with any standard propane tank, allowing for quick and easy setup, so you can get cooking right away. Whether you're frying up breakfast, boiling water for coffee, or grilling dinner, this stove delivers reliable heat and performance every time. For those who prefer a standing grill, the MS40AX can easily be combined with attachable legs, transforming it into a versatile, full-height cooking system. This adaptability makes it perfect for any camping setup, from minimalist backpacking to luxurious glamping. Built by Camp Chef, a brand known for its commitment to quality and performance, this stove is engineered to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, while delivering 5-star flavor. Whether you're an experienced camper or just starting your outdoor journey, the Camp Chef MS40AX cooking system is your key to mastering outdoor cuisine. Ready to enhance your outdoor cooking experience? The Camp Chef MS40AX cooking system is your go-to solution for all your camping culinary needs. If you're interested in bringing this versatile and reliable stove on your next adventure, click the link in the description to purchase yours today. Number 1. Meet the Jetboil Genesis Camping Stove, your ultimate companion for outdoor cooking adventures. This innovative camping stove is designed with a dual-burner system, providing you with all the flexibility you need for cooking in the wild. Whether you're making a hearty meal for your camp crew or boiling water for a quick coffee, this stove has you covered. One of the standout features of the Genesis is its JetLink compatibility. You can easily connect it with other Jetboil stoves or a Luna satellite burner to create a full outdoor cooking range. Imagine preparing a gourmet meal under the stars. With multiple burners working in sync, this system makes it possible. Included in the package is a 5-liter Jetboil fluxring pot, complete with a strainer lid, perfect for boiling pasta or making soups. You'll also get a 10-inch ceramic-coated nonstick fry pan, ideal for everything from frying eggs to sautéing vegetables. Both pieces are designed to stow neatly in the provided travel bag, ensuring your cooking gear is always organized and ready to go. The stove's powerful 10,000 BTU heating system boils water in just over 3 minutes, making it a lifesaver in cold weather. Need to melt snow or prepare a quick meal? The Genesis stove gets the job done with remarkable speed. Plus, with its attachable windscreen, you'll enjoy a consistent performance even when the weather is less than ideal. This system is built for all types of adventures, whether you're backpacking, camping, or preparing for an emergency. It's compact, weighing just 9.1 pounds. Yet it's powerful enough to handle any cooking task you throw at it. Ready to elevate your camp cooking experience? The Jetboil Genesis Camping Stove is the perfect choice for outdoor enthusiasts who demand performance and convenience. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description below to get yours today and make your next camping trip unforgettable. Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Let us know which product review you like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thumb this video up and share it with your friends. That's all for now.